Guys, so I'm going to look at a covered strangle on KMI. If you check on the Discord, I already explained the fundamentals look pretty good on it. So I'm going to look at technicals now. Theta Pro indicator shows sell put. That happened a few days ago. It's usually an optimal time to enter a position. And you can see that there's support around the 24. You could do the volumized order blocks here. So the 24 has an order block. And then all the way down to 20, but I'm not going to go down to 20 on this. The premium won't be enough. So I'm going to look around the 24. KMI. There are earnings. I'm still okay with it. So you can go into January 17th. I know earnings are the 15th, but I'm okay getting this for a relatively long position. So the 26 pays 0.23. I'm going to get the 26 here. You have to go pretty close at the money on it. So 26 is around here. I think I'm okay getting an extra 100 shares at this point, and then if it drops more, I might want to get the next 100 around 24 or so. The 26 seems fine. I'll try to get around 0.25 or so. BP is 434. So 434, 24 divided by 434 or so. 5%, which is fine. I'm typically looking to get around 4, even 3 or higher, and then use about half my margin. So the other half, you just essentially divide by 2. So if I'm getting 5.5% in less than a month, that's around 2.25% or so, which is reasonable to me, at least off the cash secured put. And then we fill the 0.25. Now, a few ways I could go about this. I could try to sell and at the money 27 or so, or I could buy 100 shares and then sell the covered call off it. We're going to go with possible upside. It's more buying power efficient, by the way, to sell the put near at the money. See, BP is 531. However, if I bought the shares, so if we buy 100 shares, we are looking at around 1,200, 1,300. So again, a little bit more efficient selling the at the money put, and you get some premium. But you won't get possible upside here. I'm just going to buy the 100 shares for now, but that's something I am considering, is selling the at the money put. All right, so I just bought a 27.12, I think. 13. So I'm going to look at a little more technicals on where to sell the call. The high was 28.5. Around the 28 seems reasonable. Let me look at the premium. 0.33 off around the 1,300. So here's how I'm doing the calculations, which you consider. 0.33 is the premium I might get. It was around 1,300 BP. So it's really 33 over 1,300. 2.5%. And then I'd lose my shares, which is decent. But then I also get capital gains. I bought at 27.13. So I go from 27.13 to 28, like right here. So I really made 33 plus, it's 100 minus 0.18. I can't do the math today. 1 minus 0.18. It'll be 0.82 extra. So I get $82 from the capital gains plus 33. You really make $115 off around 1,300, which is a good return, 8.8%. So I'm perfectly fine with that. See if I get around 0.35 or so. Okay, going to 0.34. Let's go 0.33. Alright, that's still alright. And fill the 0.33. So here's the trade. Bought 100 shares, 27.13. Sold a cover call at 28.33. Sold a put 26 for 0.25. It does have earnings, so just be aware of that. But I'm okay with a relatively long position on this. Long-term position. Okay, my dividends, by the way, 4%. It ex-divs probably in January, which is fine. I'm happy with the return if it goes up to the 28. I'm okay if it gets to the 26, because then I'll get another 100 shares at the 26. And it's a good long-term fundamentals. So if you want to check on the Discord on that, I described why. All right, guys, have a good rest of the day. And happy holidays, Merry Christmas if I don't see you.